Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a nice summer light, just kind of pretty look today. So I'm going to start off with buffing brush and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is the one I have been loving, and I'm going to try to be kind of minimalist with this because it is a full coverage foundation, well, medium to full. And I just don't want it to look too heavy since it is summer and it is very hot out, but I do need a good amount of coverage, just to be honest. Now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Age Rewind, so really just spot concealing, so a little bit on the redness of my cheeks, under eyes, and then any like additional like redness and blemishes that I have. Still not loving this applicator. I know I keep complaining about it, but it's really just not that great. I wonder if I can take it off. Oh, I can. Okay. Okay, so if I take it off, it just has like a nub. But I feel like that's more of what I'd prefer at this point. Okay, so the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. This will just set anywhere that I put concealer, which today was a lot. But I do like the Maybelline concealers. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer. And I do want to try the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pearlescent Pink. So this is the one that has shimmer to it. So I'm not always in the mood to do that. I also dropped it. So anyways, I'm going to give that a shot. Sometimes I'm not in a like shimmery blush kind of mood, but I feel like some pretty pink with some shimmer would actually be kind of nice on this. It's cute. I really like the Lorac Pro palettes. So I keep like using them interchangeably and going into different ones. This is one and this is two. So the colors at the top are matte. The colors at the bottom are shimmer. Go in with, I think, number 1, and I'm going to go into the mauve. That's the color I've been using a lot. It actually looks really similar to Tease in the Naked 2 palette. If you were looking for like a comparison color and you're familiar with those palettes. Just like a really nice like mauvey, taupey, matte color. Crease Brush. Should put this on the lower lash line. And then make sure I covered my crease. On the lid, sticking with the the 1 palette, and I'm gonna do Nude, which is the lightest shimmer, and it has a little bit of pink to it. And I'm just gonna dab that on the inner corner and across my lid. For like the outer portion, I'm going to use light bronze. So just so the outer edge is a little darker. And then I like wonder how I get makeup everywhere. Like, you didn't use that many brushes, Jen. It's kind of all over your face. Okay, focus. Okay, eyeliner. So I've really been liking the NYX eyeliners. So these are the waterproof ones. So this is Brown Perfection. They're the pencil ones. Curl lashes, and I've always been a fan of the Maybelline and Covergirl mascaras, so I've been using the Colossal Big Shot lately, and then I just got a curl. Okay, so I'm gonna do another coat of mascara, but not quite yet, so I want to jump into lips. So I am gonna try this combo. I haven't done this yet. I'm gonna use the Covergirl Lip Perfection in Smokey. And then this is the, has literally no labels on it. It's 704 Carnal Brown. So it is a Maybelline, I think it's one of the color Sensational lipsticks. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.